If you have ever wondered how to join a Calendly meeting, this video is going to walk you through the process in the simplest way possible. Whether your meeting is happening through Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or another video platform chosen by the host, the steps are usually quick and easy once you know where to look. So if you want to join your meeting without confusion, stay with me until the end. And before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this. Let's begin with the first step. Open the meeting confirmation email or the calendar invitation you receive after booking the Calendly event. This message usually contains all the details you need, including the meeting time, the host name, and most importantly, the link to join the meeting. If you can't find it right away, check your inbox, your spam folder, or even your calendar app, because sometimes the invitation is sent there automatically. Once you have the email or invitation open, look carefully for the button or link that says Join Meeting. In some cases, it may say Join Video Call, Join Zoom Meeting, Join Google Meet, or something similar depending on the platform the host selected. This link is the key part of the entire process because it takes you directly into the online meeting room. Now simply click the Join Meeting link. After that, your browser may open a new page, or your device may ask you to open the meeting in the appropriate app. For example, if the host used Zoom, you may be prompted to launch the Zoom app. If the meeting is set up in Google Meet, it may open in your browser. If it is Microsoft Teams, you may be redirected to the Teams app or a web page. Just follow the prompt that appears on your screen. If you are joining from a laptop or desktop, make sure your camera and microphone permissions are set correctly if you want to speak and be seen during the meeting. If you only want to listen, you can usually join with your microphone muted. Many meeting platforms will also ask you to enter your name before you join, so use the name that the host will recognize easily. If you are on your phone, the process is very similar. Tap the meeting link in your email or calendar app, then allow the correct app to open if your phone asks. Depending on the service, you may need to install the meeting app first, especially if this is your first time joining that type of call. Once the app opens, follow the on-screen instructions and tap the join button when you are ready. If the meeting does not open right away, don't panic. Double check that you are using the correct email account and make sure you are joining at the scheduled time. Some meetings only become available a few minutes before the start time, so if it is too early, you may need to wait a moment and try again. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable so the meeting can load properly. Another helpful tip is to test your audio before the meeting begins, especially if you know you'll need to talk. This can save you from joining late and then trying to fix your microphone during the call. If the meeting platform gives you a test screen, take a second to check your speaker, mic, and camera settings before entering the meeting room. So to quickly recap, joining a Calendly meeting is really just 3 simple steps. Open the confirmation email or calendar invitation, click the join meeting link, and then join through the platform your host chose, whether that is Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or another service. Once you know that workflow, joining future meetings becomes much easier and much faster. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.